Good morning. It is Monday the 27th. And as you guys can see, it's a very gloomy day. Here it's actually raining. I should have put my umbrella. Yeah, but I do want to say that Hawaii isn't always warm, hot, and sunny. We do get rain. And I know on the news this morning they were reporting there's 8 major islands to Hawaii, and on the big island of Hawaii Island, there's Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa, and they were reporting on the news this morning that I don't know if it was both Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa or one or the other, there are gonna be snow on there, and it should be another couple inches or so by at least every day to Thursday or something like that. So yeah, there is snow here too, so people I know a lot of people have like misconceptions or they don't know anything about too much of Hawaii. So I'm heading to the post office. I need to stop and wash my car. Filming, but hell, I put it on time lapse. I got Logie with me, and then across the street is the post office. We're going over there. We're going to Home Depot. No, not to Home Depot over there. We're going to Sam's Club, which is that way. I was filming, but it was on time lapse. So make sure you guys don't forget. Where that orange and red building is at, and then it's like right next to 24-hour fitness. Get ready, kiddo. We're gonna cross the street. It's crossed, guys.
Yeah. You're not actually walking.
They're walking with us.
Yeah. How come there was a tripod that walked?
We gotta invent it.
Yeah. Will be more easier.
I see trees. I see Christmas trees. There they are. There's the Christmas trees. We want to get a tabletop Christmas tree when we go home. Yeah, Logan? We are getting a tabletop tree when we go back. There's the trees. It's the Home Depot. I love the smell of Christmas trees. We caught a whiff of it because the wind is blowing. Yeah, Logan?
I want a cell phone tower tree.
You want to... Oh, from that home too. I don't think that's a possibility.
Yeah.
I ended up putting some incense lipstick on.
I sound like a child when like a 5-year-old child when I was there.
In the heat though.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. It is 7:19 at Monday, the 27th. I got some stuff in here for Friday already to be moved out. We will most likely May. I'll confirm it later on, maybe Wednesday, to have help at least moving things back to where we live. I told my mom I wanted to bring everything to be moved in one spot, so that way at least we can just like grab and go kind of a thing, instead of like, wait, I gotta go here, I gotta go there. So I did some already. There's some, and I moved some of these things over here, so that way it's easier to grab as well. We may have brought a lot of stuff with us, but it was one of those things that I wasn't sure we may have needed it, and plus there was things that I didn't want to put in storage, like for example, there's some in the other room, but our DVDs and CDs, because I didn't want it to like swell or ruin in storage, so like there's a lot of stuff. But anyway, we did go to Sam's Club and we ate lunch there. I got so full off the food that I got. Then Logan ended up sharing with me as well, but I was running out of creamer for coffee, so I was like, oh, let's get a look around that. No, they had the one in the bottle that you could buy the refrigerated kind. I don't know if you guys can see it, like this kind right here. But I ended up looking in the coffee section at Sam's Club, and I found this International Delight pumpkin pie spice creamer that just fell out of my hand. Anyway, this is how it looks like. There's 192 in here, and it was actually cheaper than the ones that I saw. This is all under $8. This thing, so yeah, I was like, let's get this anyway. Because not only did I need more creamer, I do like pumpkin pie spice flavored, pumpkin really flavored. And of course, they're gonna come out with it in fall time, so yeah. So I wanted to share that with you guys. It was actually cheaper. I'm like, Sam's Club, yeah, some of the things may be expensive, like I'm assuming Costco as well. But if you look right and compare prices, you can actually get things for cheaper and with certain items. And I'm hoping that maybe this is all used, they can keep the box or something, that maybe Logan can put some Legos in or whatever. I'm definitely not gonna miss that. I can't wait to go home. So I just wanted to show you guys that and give you guys a little update. Don't know if you guys can see it, but on the cable box right here, it says it's 8:20 in the morning. It is Tuesday, November 28th, and Logan and I just got up. We literally just got up, so I'm drinking some iced coffee that I made yesterday. My Dunkin' Donuts cup that I got from the time we went to Dunkin' Donuts. And I think I'll end it here for the vlog that I started yesterday and just start a new one. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.